Hello everybody and welcome back to Excel tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be learning how to insert calendar in Excel. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So right now, as you can see, we have clients data table in here and we have three different clients in here, and we are going to be selecting their date of birth, but we are not going to be simply entering that in here. We are going to be selecting it through a calendar that we will be adding in a moment. So first you need to head over to your file from the top left side of your screen, and from there to the bottom left where you can see this options. When you click on options, you can see we have a window opened, and from there you need to head over to your customize ribbon. Here you need to enable your developer tab. So currently, as you can see, it is unchecked and you need to simply check it, and after that you need to click on OK. On the top you will be able to see that we now have this developer tab. Click on that, and in here we are going to be adding a new add-in. So click on this add-ins, and here we have our office add-ins, and click on store. From there we have this search option where we are going to be typing calendar. Once you type in, click on search, and here you will be able to see that our very first result shows mini calendar and date picker. Click on add and continue, and now after a couple of seconds you will be able to see that our calendar will be loaded. You can adjust its size using this corner edges, and once you're satisfied with this position you can use it, which is quite easy. So here at the bottom you will be able to see that we have few options. You can toggle your calendar size, you can change the calendar theme as well, like for example its color and style. We also have different calendar systems, so if you are in different region you can just change your calendar system from this globe icon. After that we have our toggle weeks number, so in case you want to show up your weeks number as well, you can do that from here as well. And finally you have highlight range of dates, and in case you want to hide the settings you can cross this and you can see our settings are now hidden. Alright, so now let's say I want to select a date of birth for Alex, and it is going to be something, let's just select 9th, and you can see when I click on any of these dates it is automatically added to that particular cell. Similarly, I can do that for Jenny as well. If I click on 20, you can see that the date is added to that particular cell. Now if I move a couple of months back, you will be able to see that I can also add different months. So you can see now it's added for October. So that's a pretty simple way how you can insert calendar in Excel. I really hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.